up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want you to get rich in 2026 wholesaling real estate. In order to do that, you need to know how to talk to motivated sellers so that way you can close anybody. Guys, I've mastered the phones when it comes to wholesaling real estate. I've really figured out exactly how to talk to these sellers. I'm going to show you step by step from hello to goodbye how to talk to sellers today so you can have massive success in wholesaling. Now, before I get started, guys, every single week, I sit right here and I jump on a Zoom call with you guys and I do a 1-hour free mentorship call with you every single week. So if you're ready to learn how to wholesale real estate and you want to have a 1-hour free mentorship call with me, click the link down below and sign up for my next 1-hour live training. I do it every single Tuesday where you can learn from me on exactly how to wholesale real estate. Whether you're a beginner or you've already done deals, in this training I show you step by step how to start from scratch and get your first deal in the next 30 days and make $20,000. And if you're already doing deals, I will show you how to scale up to $100,000 per month. So I'm ready to see you on my next 1-hour live training. I want to talk to you. Click the link and down below and sign up. Now with that being said, let's jump into this. Now, first, I'm going to be teaching you everything today, but I want you to download my cold calling script. So if you go to jacoblank.com/free, I want you to download my cold calling script. There's going to be a link down below for it. I want you to print out this cold calling script so that way you can go along with it during this video. Go download my cold calling script for free at jacoblank.com/free. Now, we're going to be going over the intro first, right? When you call them, your intro is so important. If you can't get them to agree to talk to you when you call them out of the blue when you're cold calling or when you're calling a seller, you're never going to talk to anybody. So you must master your intro. Now, with the calling intro, they want to know 3 things, okay? They want to know, number 1, who you are, number 2, why you're calling, and number 3, why they should listen, right? Every consumer, when doing marketing, when you cold call them, they want to know these 3 things. Now, who you are is, hey, this is Jacob from National Home Buyers, right? Hey, I'm an investor, right? Tell them who you are. And then why? You're calling to see if they'd like a cash offer for their property. And why should they listen? Because they're going to get a cash offer from you. So when I'm doing my intro, in under 10 seconds, I tell them who I am, why I'm calling, and why they should listen. Okay? We're going to use 3 tonalities. We're going to use high enthusiasm in the beginning, a clear tone in the middle, and a question tone at the end. Now what that looks like is this. Hey, this is Jacob from National Home Buyers. I'm calling to see if you'd consider a cash offer for your property. Do you have a second? Question tone at the end. Those are the 3 tonalities. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to ask for a second. Now the reason we're asking them for a second is because it's the shortest amount of time possible. We're going to overwhelm their brain. Their brain is like a computer, okay? Everybody's brain is like a computer. A computer only has so much processing power. So when we tell them the 3 things they want to know, their brain cues, okay, I know everything I need to know. Now we're going to overwhelm their brain's processing power with 3 different tonalities: high enthusiasm, clear tonality, question tone, and then we're going to ask for the shortest amount of time. Now that their brain knows the 3 things they want to know, their brain's been overwhelmed with 3 different tonalities, and you ask for the shortest amount of time, a second, their brain is going to cue yes to talking to you. Now what I call is when you have them, you have them. Once they say yes, now you have them. They're going to agree to talk to you for quite a while. Now what this intro looks like if it's a follow-up call, like let's say you got the lead from marketing and you're not cold calling, like you had a cold caller already find the lead and the lead's in, what that intro looks like is just a little bit different, and the why they should listen gets even bigger. It looks like this. Hey, this is Jacob from National Home Buyers. You spoke to one of my associates about a cash offer for your property. I'm calling to give you the offer. Why should they listen? I'm calling to give you the offer. Do you have a second? That's the intro for follow-up calls when the lead comes in, and cold call intro. Just taught you it all right there. All right, now we need to go over what questions do we ask the seller, right? The next thing we need to do is what questions do we ask the seller when we're on the phone with them, so that way you know what to say. We want to ask them 5 condition questions. Now, these condition questions are so important. This is why. These condition questions set the stage before you make your offer, right? So, what does that mean? We need to set the stage before we make our offer because obviously for wholesaling real estate, we need to get the property under contract at a discount. So if we don't set the stage before we make that low offer, they're obviously not going to like our offer. So what do we need to do? We need to ask them about everything wrong with their property, everything outdated, everything that needs repairs, in order to get them in the right frame of mind where they understand, okay, my property isn't that great, this is a reasonable offer. We need to set the stage. So we want to ask them, how old is the roof? How old is the AC? What color are the cabinets? What countertops are in the kitchen? Have they done any remodeling? 5 years, in the past 5 years. Based on these questions, just these 5 questions, we will know whether the property needs a full, half, or no remodel, okay? So, how old is the roof? If the roof's older than 10 years, it's getting old. How old is the AC? If the AC is older than 10 years, it's getting old. What color are the cabinets? If the cabinets are a wood color, probably outdated. If the cabinets are white, they might be updated. What type of countertops do you have in the kitchen? If the countertops are granite or quartz, probably updated. If the countertops are laminate or formica, probably outdated. And then, have you done any remodeling in the past 5 years? Now, what this is going to do is it's going to get you to have them open up and tell you more about their property. While they are doing this, talking about their property, you're going to be running the numbers. On PropStream is where I comp my properties. PropStream lets you look up any property across the country. I'll have a link down below for PropStream. Now, while you're running your numbers, you're figuring out what the property is worth. They're rambling on this open-ended question. Open-ended question. How have they done any remodeling in the past 5 years? You gave them an open-ended question last, so now you can run your numbers. All right, so you're going to look up the property and you're going to find the ARV, the after repair value. What is the most this property is worth if it was fully remodeled? And from there, you're going to calculate your offer. Now, it's very simple to calculate this offer because all you have to do is go to jacobblank.com/shop and you're going to be able to download my offer calculator for you. This offer calculator at jacobblank.com/shop, it's really affordable and it does all the calculations for you, making it really easy to make the cash offer to the seller. So, all you have to do is find the ARV, plug the ARV into the offer calculator. It's going to give you the offer to make the seller. All right? Now, we're going to go over the offer stack. Okay, what is the offer stack? This is how you present your offer to the seller. We want to stack the value of the offer. Ready? I'm going to show you how to present the offer. All right, Mr. Seller, after running my numbers, I'm going to be able to offer you $100,000 for your property. Keep in mind, this is a cash offer where we cover all the closing costs, there's no commissions, and we buy the property in as-is condition. You see the offer stack? There is no closing costs, there is no commissions, and we buy the property in as-is condition. So $100,000, but stack the value of the offer to make the offer look more valuable than the dollar amount. You need to make them trust your company, trust your service, and think that there is more value than the dollar amount so that way they want to do business with you, right? We're trying to get their property at a discount. If we don't build the value of the offer to make the value more than the dollar amount, we're not going to get them to agree to our offers. So that's what you want to do. Now, once you present the offer, we now want to move on to assuming the close. You're going to assume they're going to agree. You're going to assume you're going to get the deal. You're going to assume the close. And we want to ask for the sale. Okay, most people when they do sales, right, they're scared. They're scared to ask for the sale. You need to ask for the sale. Look, as long as everything looks straightforward, are you ready to get the process started today? Are you ready to get the process started today? Are you ready to get the process started today? I'm asking for the sale, and I'm assuming the close. Now, if they say, yes, I like your offer, and as long as everything looks good, I'm ready, great, they just agreed. Now we're going to assume the close. Okay, Mr. Seller, what's your email address? I'm going to go ahead and send over this 2-page simple purchase agreement so that way we can get the process started here. Get their email, send them the contract. Now you're probably wondering, where am I going to get the purchase contract so that way I can do these deals? Just go to jacobblank.com/free. You're going to be able to download my purchase contract, my assignment contract, and my cold calling script. Guys, this was an overview. This was an overview of my intro, my condition questions, how to talk to the seller, how to go for the close, how to present the offer. I hope you found this valuable. But guys, again, if you want me to go way more in depth with this, I go way more in depth with this every single week on my Tuesday 1-hour mentorship call that is 100% free. Every week I hold a free 1-hour mentorship call where I break all this down way more in depth. I share my screen with you. I teach you everything you need to know. So guys, if you want to get on a free 1-hour mentorship call with me, click the link down below, sign up for the next call with me, and I will see you on the call. If you guys found this video valuable, hit the like button, hit the red button, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, comment down below. But thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.